some super hip theme music right here. On my super fly shit. Infamous, you a genius. It's the flight plan. Hey y'all, what it is, what it do, it's your boy Jay Smooth. Welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. Today, I'm gonna be working on...
Hi, on that.
Okay, let's try that again. Hey y'all, what it is, what it do, welcome to another episode of Smooth Customs. I am Jay Smooth. If you didn't know, now you know. And today, not gonna be working on anything VIP having to do with the Lexus, unfortunately, but I do have a treat. Gonna be working on my boy Kid's Cadillac CTS Coupe Dunk style. That's right, he's got it sitting on 26-inch rims, and he called me up, asked me if I could do some Underglow LED kit for him. So I said, sure, why not? Come on by. I believe he got this kit from Amazon, so, you know, let's get to it.
Chrome lips poking out the coupe look like it's powder. Yeah. Chrome lips poking out the coupe look like it's powder. Jay Smooth. Chrome lips poking out the coupe look like it's powder. Legend. Chrome lips poking out the coupe look like it's powder. Let's go. Chrome lips poking out the coupe look like it's powder. Chrome lips.
Hi, Janelle.
Hi. This has big ass to go up.
What up, boy? Well, the good thing about this thing being dunked out on 26s is 28. Oh, I'm sorry, 28s. 28s. Okay, 28s. Is that I'm not gonna need a floor jack. All right. So yeah, let's what's this brand? Cartronics. What? No, give me your address, bro. Look at the name brand. Relax. Nobody care where you live. You ain't got no stalkers. All right. So first, we need to find a spot in here that we could put the light on. So I think this is a good spot. We're gonna have to wipe it down though, and wipe it down, and probably gonna have to add some zip ties right there.
That's fine.
All right. So first order of business is we're gonna wipe it down because these LED strips come with a backing. It comes with a double-sided backing, 3M or whatever, but then it also has clips and zip ties. Man, I miss the old days of neon tubing. All right, let's get it done. All right, here's the first part, not to overcomplicate things so much. We just went ahead and zip tied it to the edge right here, and we're gonna be running it down the side there. So we have good clearance. So the wire was ran above the suspension here through the bumper, and this is where we placed it. It had to be placed on the bumper support because any lower we couldn't place it down here because you'd see the LEDs, and we couldn't place it here because of the exhaust, so it had to be tucked up in there, but you still get good visibility. All right. Alright, so the wires ran through this grommet right back here. Let me move this out the way. That grommet right there. And ran the wires here to the battery box. Down here, you got the negative and the positive. Now another spot you could actually, if you want to do a fuse jumper, is tap into one of these. That'll get you the same results. Alright.
I like the boys with the bass in the truck. I like the boys with the bass in the truck. I like the boys with the bass in the truck. I like the boys with the bass in the trunk. I like the boys with the bass in the trunk. Yo, sitting in the Benz and then make your pussy thump. Hair blowing in the wind in the Mary Kay pink drop. Headed to the green, getting money on never scuff. I'm so one way, I stay fly.
Okay, well, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this dunk episode. Quick video. Not sure if I went too in depth from you, but it's an easy install. I mean, most of it was zip ties and double stick tape, you know, a couple of brackets here and there. And as far as the wiring went, we went straight to the battery, positive and negative, and that's it. Came with a remote. That's how Kid wanted it installed. That's how we did it. So me, I probably would have ran a switch somewhere to turn it on and off, but you know, that's me. I'm crazy like that. Let's see. What is coming up? What is coming up? Yes, Lexus LS400 body kit. We're swapping the LS460 front and rear. And yeah, and I have a line on some fenders I want to get. These fiberglass fenders. So hopefully I can get those ordered and we'll add it to the project. Balling on a budget, of course, as usual. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications, share, tell your friends. Take care. Peace.